بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. Dear my students, grade 8, we are going inshallah to go and study together the fourth unit for the first term, unit number 4. The title of this module is Our Amazing World. Our Amazing World. Before we start here, I have a riddle. It's like a puzzle. Try to think of this puzzle and try to answer this one. Here we have Mr. Brown was killed on Sunday afternoon. The wife said she was reading a book. The butler said he was taking a shower. The chef said he was making breakfast. The maid said she was folding clothes. And the gardener said he was planting tomatoes. Who did it? Who killed Mr. Brown? Think of this one and tell me. You can pause the video and tell me. Excellent. Some students say the chef. Why? Because Mr. Brown was killed in the afternoon and yet the chef claimed he was making breakfast. How come? How come that he was making breakfast and Mr. Brown was killed in the afternoon? Now we are going to go together and study. We have here 4 charity organizations. I'd like you to look at these 4 pictures and try to tell me what are the names of these organizations. What are the names of these organizations? That's right. Okay, let's go together. Let's check our answers here. The first one on the left is Marie Curie organization. That's right. Marie Curie is a name of a female one, is a name of a woman. Okay. The second one, all of us know this one. Excellent. It is called what? The Cat House. The Cat House. The third one we have, that's right. We all know this one. Kuwait Red Crescent Society. Kuwait Red Crescent Society. What about the last one? Excellent, that's right. This is Voluntary Work Center. Voluntary Work Center. So here we have 4 charity organizations. Marie Curie Organization, Zakat House, Kuwait Red Crescent Society, Voluntary Work Center. What is the importance of charity organizations? Can you tell me? When I speak about charity, like giving to people who are in need, if you donate, help others, this is called charity. Why is it important for people to help others? What is the importance of charity organizations? Charity brings to life again those who are spiritually dead. So charity brings to life again those who are spiritually dead. Okay, now, can you mention some famous female scientists? Can you mention some famous female scientists? Okay, you can surf the internet and tell me. But let's study here. We have a woman, she is called Marie Curie. What do you know about Marie Curie? Do you know anything about her? If you don't, you can surf the internet and write down some notes about her. Marie Curie, she was one of the top female scientists. She was Polish. She was born in Poland. She was born in 1867 and she died in 1934. She was a physicist and chemist. Today's lesson is about another great woman. She is called, yes, that's right, she is called Clara Barton. Clara Barton is from the United States of America. She was a very special woman. She was born in 1821 in the United States. She started her career as a teacher at an early age. So the first job that Clara Barton did, that's right, she was what? A teacher. Excellent. But at an early age. Clara opened a free school and became a popular and respected teacher. So she opened a free school and became a popular and respected what? That's right, teacher. When her school grew, she hired another teacher to help her teach. So when I say the word hired here, the first vocabulary that we have, hired, hired. That's right. So when I say the word hire, it means to rent, to pay, to use something for a short period. To rent, to pay, to use something for a short period. So hire. It's called what? Hire. Let's move to the next word. She raised a lot of money that was used to open another school. She raised. Raised. What about the verb raise here? Do you know? Look at the picture here and you're going to find what it means. When I say the word raise, it means collect. Means what? Collect. Raise. To cause something to increase or become bigger, better, higher. Okay? Increase or become bigger, better, or higher. Unfortunately, Clara was not allowed to be the principal of the new school. Her community would not let women hold this career. Community. Community. When I say the word community, it means what community? The people living in one particular area. Community. Community. Next one. A male principal was hired instead and was paid twice as much as Clara. She was demoted to female assistant. Demoted. So the verb that we have here, demote. Demote. When I say the word demote, it means here to lower someone or something in rank or position. To lower someone or something in rank or position. Instead of becoming the manager, he is going to be demoted and becomes what? That's right, assistant. So demote, lower rank or lower position. Next one. She fed soldiers and cleaned their wounds on the battlefield. Wounds. That's right. If you look at this picture as well, you are going to understand what I'm saying. Wound. Wound. A damaged area of the body, such as a cut or hole in the skin or flesh made by a weapon. So this, if you look at this picture, this is called what? Wound. Wound. Next word. Clara always said, I may be compelled to face danger, but I never fear it. Compelled. Compelled. Compelled here, having to do something because you are forced to or feel it is necessary. Compelled. Compelled means forced. You do something, but you don't want to do it, but you are forced to do it. So this is called what? Compelled. Compelled. Due to the harsh environment, Clara suffered from many health problems and decided to quit her job. Here we have two words. The first one here up, we have the word harsh, and the second one we have quit. So harsh and quit. If we are going to look at the first one, he says what? Due to, the same like because of, the harsh environment. So I speak about something which is easy or difficult. Excellent. Kind or unkind? Unkind, that's right. She decided to quit. Quit her job when someone wants to quit a job, or so it means what here? He wants to leave the place. Quit. It's called what? Quit. The first one, harsh, means, as we have said, unkind or cruel. That's right. Harsh. Clara suffered from many health problems and decided to quit her job. Do you remember what have we said about the verb quit? Excellent. It means leave. Quit. To stop doing something or leave a job or a place. Now let's go together and read the vocabulary again together. Hire. Hire. Raise. Raise. Community. Community. Demote. Demote. Harsh. harsh, quit, quit, wound, wound, compelled, compelled. Okay, let's go together to page 35, the fourth unit. You are going to find the title, Unforgettable Past. Let's go together to page 35. Here, now you have time to read this text and try to give it a suitable title. Take your time. You have 3 minutes. You can pause the video and read this passage. After reading it, tell me what is the suitable title for this passage. Okay? Now let's come together. If we are going to speak about this one, if we are going to speak about this text, what is the best title that we can give? Can we say charity work? Can we say here, that's right, we speak about what here? Okay, what is the name of the person that we speak about? Clara Barton, that's right. Okay, here we have some questions. We want to answer these questions. You can read again, but while reading this time, try to find the answers for these questions. Try to find the answers for these questions. The first one, how would you describe Clara Barton? Number 2, women were not treated as equal to men during the 19th century. Explain. Third one, what is the purpose of the writer? Think of a great Kuwaiti woman and compare her to Clara Barton. Try to pause the video again, and after that you can come back and answer these questions. Now let's check the answers together. How would you describe Clara Barton from your reading? Okay, we can say what? She was a brave, caring woman. She didn't give up hope. She did her best to help people. Second one, women were not treated as equal to men during the 19th century. Explain. That's right. Clara was not allowed to be the principal of the new school. Why? Her community would not let women hold this position. She was demoted to female assistant. Excellent, that's right. Third one, what is the purpose of the writer? What is the purpose from writing this one? To tell us about the history of this great woman? That's right. The writer wants to show that women can do great things and succeed in many fields, the same like men. And also, he wants to say hard work and determination can make dreams come true. The last one here, think of a great Kuwaiti woman and compare her to Clara Barton. You can surf the internet and find some Kuwaiti women that they did the same like Clara Barton. Time for reading. We are going to read together now. Clara Barton was a very special woman. She was born in 1821 in the United States. She started her career as a teacher at an early age. Clara opened a free school and became a popular and respected teacher. When her school grew, she hired another teacher to help her teach. There were over 600 students in the school. She raised a lot of money that was used to open another school. Unfortunately, Clara was not allowed to be the principal of the new school. Her community would not let women hold this position. A male principal was hired instead and was paid twice as much as Clara. She was demoted to female assistant. Due to the harsh environment, Clara suffered from many health problems and decided to quit her job. When the Civil War began, Clara worked as a nurse. She fed soldiers and cleaned their wounds on the battlefield. She proved that women can succeed in any job. Clara later founded an international organization. Injured soldiers were cared for by Clara's organization. Clara always said, I may be compelled to face danger, but I never fear it. Okay, now after reading, what do you think of Clara Barton? What do you think of this woman? That's right. We can say here like a lot of things about Clara Barton. Like this woman like had a great history. That's right. She had a great determination. She helped people in many fields. Do you remember when she first worked as a teacher? After that, when she helped people who had wounds during the wars. Okay. Clara was a pioneering nurse who founded the American Red Cross. She was the founder of the American Red Cross. Thank you and see you inshallah in the next videos.